Hello! Today we are going to be taking a look at my recent purchase. This is lab equipment, and to be more precise, magnetic steering machine. And here you've got the model number. We are going to give it a try and see how well it's performing. Let's take a look at our user manual. Here we've got our model, and this is content of the manual. As you can see, it is extremely simple to operate. We do not have any hints. So I will show you. I was working with a real lab equipment, but it's also got a heating bed here and external probe that you put into your solution. So you've got 2-in-1. This looking on the power supply that's got 9 volt 1 amp. Absolutely won't have any heating coil, so this is going to be only good for steering. Here you can take a look how this device is presenting next to my hand. So it is a pretty good size. It is made out of plastic. Here we've got our company, and we've got the power indicator. We've got switch with ability to adjust the speed. Very nice color. We've got a fit. Let's take a look what else we've got. Here is our steering rod, and if you would be curious, this is a magnet. So if you've got like a magnetic solution, that it might be a problem if it contains iron. And here we've got a extraction tool. So when you put it into a like beaker, then you can remove it or put it down without splashing, and I will present you that. Here we've got nothing. So let's try to power on our device. Let's plug it in, and we are going to be using our beautiful Goal 0. So let me power on the inverter, and we plug ourselves here. Let's put it into the bag. And we've got a power indicator. Yes, we've got, and I can hear spinning, so I'm pretty sure that it's going to be working fine. Let's create some test setup. So here I've got a beaker with salt, and as you can see, I choose one with a heavy, like a beefy grain, so we can see how well it's working. And here we've got a dry solution, so from technical point of view, I could just drop it, but we can use the tool to make sure that it's not going to be splashing if we've got like a liquid. So we have to find the correct orientation, and as you can see, I can nicely put it down. If that would be like an acid, then it won't spill. And of course, we've got ability to extract it afterwards. So this is really a nice thing. So we go like this. Then we've got second beaker with water. I do not have glass rod, so I will use this. And we are going to be transferring our liquid just like that to prevent any spilling. So we are nicely transferring it just like that. To pretend that we are professionals, we should nicely clean it just like that. And now we can discard it. And now the most interesting part, will it work? So I will start with a really slow, with the slowest possible, and we are going to be working our way up, because I don't want to just take a look how beautiful it is. It's nicely steering our solution. And this is like a low speed gear. I think we can go a little bit faster. Or maybe not. Let's give it a moment and see what's going to happen. I can clearly see that it is already dissolving. Just take a look how beautiful it is. Yeah, this is extremely nice tool. And for the price, it is really working amazing. And I use like a beefy grain, so we can see that. And it's working really nice. We can see the vortex. Very nice. We can dial it up a little bit. But we don't want splashing. And you can choose different models of our steering device. You can purchase a set of different shapes, but this is like the most generic one. If you've got the proper one, they are going to be made out from like a Teflon, and they are going to be safe in like a corrosive things. Just take a look how beautiful it is. Yeah, it is really amazing. You can just take a look at this and be happy. And just for pure fun, let's try to give it more speed. In normal case, we put like a glass thing on top to make sure that it's not going to be spilling, but since it is just the water and salt, we shouldn't be worrying. Yeah, this is too fast. But as you can see, it is really working well. Yeah, this is too much. I would say that this is like a safe speed. And let's take a look. And as you can see, we managed to dissolve almost everything. And if we would like to remove it, then we can go just like that. And as you can see, it is nicely extracted. So, in my personal opinion, it's working really great. And yes, it do not have any heating element. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.